In this video, we're going over how to unlock your Motorola G7 Play so you can use it with any carrier. The first thing you want to do is go to your phone app and go to the dialer and tap on *#06#. That's going to show us our IMEI. Now you will need to write down this first number, your IMEI. We will need that later on in the video. Next, we're going to go to the internet, Google Chrome, and go to the website, theunlockingcompany.com. And go to the website, theunlockingcompany.com, and just fill out a few prompts. First will be the manufacturer, which is Motorola. The model is going to be the Moto G7 Play. Tap Unlock Now. From here, you'll fill out a few more questions: where you purchased the phone, the country, and the carrier. Click Next again. This is the step where you'll need to input that IMEI that you got in the first step of the video, your full name, the email address you want them to send the unlocking instructions, and your phone number. Before you hit order now, just be aware that there are certain phones and carriers that will work with their service, and there's some that won't. For example, if you have a phone from Sprint, Boost, or Verizon, you can't have it unlocked through this website. So the Moto G7 Play is compatible, and so you don't need to worry there. But just as an FYI, this is a disclaimer. This is the pricing of what it'll cost to have it unlocked. Average delivery time, which it tends to be faster than this, but they just give you a ballpark time. You'll swipe back up here, click on Order Now. You can check out with PayPal or I believe with a credit card. After that point, we will need to take out our SIM card. So you're going to need the SIM tool that came in the box of your phone. We're going to take out the SIM card, and once you put that in, hold down the power button and tap Restart. Now, once the phone restarts, this is where you're going to need to wait until you receive the confirmation email from the unlocking company. It will have the final unlocking instructions. In some cases, it will have an unlocking pin. The process to unlock the phones does change from time to time, so that's why you do want to wait until you get that email to read the final instructions on how to finish unlocking your phone. If you have any issues, you can go back to their website, theunlockingcompany.com. You can speak to someone via a live chat, or there's a phone number you can call to receive final help in getting your phone unlocked. The cool thing about this site is that the work is 100% guaranteed, so you'll definitely be able to connect with someone for help, and if they can't help you unlock it, they will refund your money. So we'll leave a link in the description of the website. Hope you guys did find the video helpful. Make sure you like, favorite, and share if it was helpful. Hit that subscribe button and stay tuned for more videos. Take care and have a good one.